along with Vaughn Gittin Jr. Don't want to miss, so we're super happy that you're going to be coming out.
I want to cry. I kind of want to cry.
My people been ballin', my team been ballin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the rule. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
We have a huge phone call. I do have his consent to record this phone call conversation, so you guys are aware. Hello?
Hey, Austin over at Mustang Week.
What's up, Austin? How you doing?
Living the dream, man. That's what they all say, right?
Yeah.
I'll take up too much of your Sunday, but I figured I'd give you a call. I wanted to reach out to you, send you an invitation over to Mustang Week, and see if you're interested in that.
Yeah, man, 100%.
Awesome, man. For coming out, we want to hook you up with the Mustang Week swag pack. It's more or less for you to come out, enjoy the event. We're going to hook you up with some all-access tickets as well. So basically all we ask, you can create some content while you're down there at Mustang Week and just really embrace the Mustang community while you're there. Interested, but with part of this, we want to do some pre-event promo with you. So kind of collab on some pre-event content for Mustang Week Texas, create the hype for Mustang Week Texas, and then also create the hype a little bit around that you're coming out, you're going to spend some time with us while you're out there.
Yeah, I'm 100%. Whatever you guys need, I'm there. I'm game. I did it all last year, as you've seen. It was my first year. I had a lot of fun, made a whole bunch of new friends. And creating that positive atmosphere is something I actually love doing.
We recognize that right away with you, so that's why we wanted to make sure we reached out to you and everything. And then also over the next week or so, if you could think about some of the Mustang Week events that you want to participate in, such as like the road racing or the high performance driving experience or any of the drifting or autocross or even the drag racing, or if you're getting crazy and you want to do some burn yard stuff, just let us know. We'll be able to get you at least a pass to that, to whatever event you want to do there.
Okay.
I know content's going to be a huge part, so just whatever you feel like you want to make content on, man, and you want to be out there. I'm assuming you're bringing your car, right?
Yeah, yep, I have 2 months to get that ready.
Oh, man,
I know. For whatever event, I want to do them all. It's just a matter of getting to each and every single event and, making the best out of it. Just like my schedule for Mustang Week last year was film all day, get home, edit that night, and post it that night or post it the next morning.
Super happy that you're going to be coming out.
100%. Yeah, I'm game for it. I honestly want to be at all the events, filming, getting whatever content I can.
Offer you getting right along with Vaughn Gittin Jr. during some of the drifting stuff. So if you think about going to there,
I would.
We'll at least get you in a seat. Or if you decide you want to go down the drag strip and you don't want to take your car, we probably get you in some of the pro drivers that are going to be there and stuff.
Dude, I would absolutely love that. I would. If you could see my face right now, which you will when my video goes up. Hell yeah.
Dude, that's awesome.
That is exciting. All right, man, you have a good day and stay safe.
Absolutely, you as well.
All right, bye-bye. I want to cry. I kind of want to cry. There he was like, you want to take a ride along with Vaughn Gittin? Dude, yes. I want to take a ride along with Vaughn Gittin. I want to be at all the events for you guys. I want to be producing this amazing content for you guys. Mustang Week, Foxtoberfest. That's actually how Austin recognized my videos, was from Foxtoberfest. And as you guys know, if you guys follow Mustang Week or me on social media, we've been constantly back and forth sharing each other's content. And this is something huge. If I can get passenger seats in some of the fastest cars in the country and sit with these professional drivers and get to meet them, and get in the hot seat with Vaughn Gittin and take a lap around, it's so crazy. Dude, the hugest announcement I've ever had on this channel in my life. This is trying not to cry, dude. I'm trying not to cry so bad. That funding portion and getting everything here, that's a little rough because I need a whole lot done to this car within the next 2 months, and it's gonna be cut really close. Bro, it's crazy because it's like all the hard work finally pays off. And to be recognized, like, not even a company per se, it's more like a family. Like, Mustang Week is just full of entrepreneurs, and really all of us share the same passion, and it's crazy because there's going to be other huge content creators there right next to me, and to be recognized for my video, it's insane. It's insane. Like, they personally just invited me out to one of the hugest events in the country. Texas Mustang Week is going to be absolutely huge. RTR, Vaughn Gittin, if you guys don't know who Vaughn Gittin is, professional drift racer, race car driver, stunt driver, whatever you want to call it, Vaughn Gittin, the man himself. EMP Parts, who manufactured our rear seat delete and custom made that for us, they're gonna be there. It's gonna be huge. Texas is in the middle of the East Coast, the West Coast, and everything in between, and it's going to be absolutely huge. Oh no. So it's no secret that I keep going over and I keep saying that I have a whole bunch of plans for this car, but what are my plans for this car? I'm not here to gatekeep them. I'm not here to do anything like that. So I want to be completely transparent with you guys. So I have the rear seat delete over there drying. I sanded it a little bit and I put some more glossy clear. And like I said, I want to be completely transparent with you guys on what I plan on doing to this car. Likely for Mustang Week, I'm going to end up putting a drag pack on and I'm going to be trailering this car down. Now, you already know this car isn't supercharged. There's nothing added to this car, so why would I need a drag pack? Somehow, some way, in the next 2 to 3 months that I have to get this car ready, I plan on getting a Whipple installed and making some decent power with it. So if you take a look at the paint on the car, you can kind of see it's pretty dirty. It's been nothing but snow and rain. So next thing I have to do is throw some PPF on, and I definitely have to get some tint on this thing because there is no tint yet, and I'm driving around in a fishbowl. Next on my list is going to be the front end. I'm going to get an RTR grill and front chin splitter. And as far as the badges go, I'm probably going to keep the black and silver badges because if I do get Weld Lagunas or something of the sort, it's going to have that black and chrome already, so it will match and hopefully look really good on the red. And to keep the RTR theme going, we're going to get the RTR theme side skirts. Like, I know a lot of you guys hate the no wing look. I mean, I kind of like it, but I'm torn between a Saline and an RTR spoiler. But I'm definitely probably leaning towards the RTR spoiler. Keep the black theme going. Keep everything, you know, kind of trying to keep everything to kind of have a theme here. So if I do get the RTR spoiler, which I do love, I love the way it looks, I'm probably more than likely just going to end up with that. And have an RTR replica at this point if I plan on doing RTR front to rear. I definitely want new taillights for this thing, and unfortunately the only company making them for right now is Auto Addict. So I either go with Auto Addict and get the Euros, or I wait for Morimoto to come out with something, which I'm sure they will within the next year. I'm hoping. If you followed along since the blue S550 that I had, I'm more than likely going to get these seats ripped out, the regular stock cloth seats, and I'm going to put in some sponsored seats from Brom, hopefully. So I do have to reach back out to them and see what they're wanting to do. And you know, I kind of want to have them pick and see what other people are going with. So I don't pick that because I want to be different, unfortunately, which probably comes with a costly penny. So coming around to the front end, we got the stock hood on, and I honestly love the way the stock hood looks. It's just, there's not a lot of options for hoods, so everyone has the stock hood. But luckily, Lethal Performance teamed up with Cervini's to come out with a 4-inch cowl hood that I am more than likely going to get. And I'm probably just going to get the top half of it painted and then leave the bottom side black. Add a little personality, but, you know, it's almost $2,000 for a hood, getting it painted on both sides when you really only will ever see this side unless my hood's propped. It doesn't really make sense to me. I'll either paint it on both sides with the Rapid Red Tinted Metallic or, you know, leave the back side black. So, I don't know. Yeah. A lot that has to get done to this car in such little time. So yeah, I just want you guys to know there's a whole bunch coming to this channel. You just gotta be patient with me. Like I said, it's that cost of funding all these parts that's the issue. So yeah, nonstop work, and I'm trying to make sure this is happening. And like I said, this phone call is huge, and it's more than likely a life changer. So let's make new friends, make new adventures, go to Mustang Week Texas, and have a blast. There's gonna be karting, burnouts, autocross. There's gonna be carnivals. Moody Gardens in itself is huge and an absolute amazing resort from everything I've seen. Away from all this cold and all the snow in Texas, it's definitely gonna be a little warmer. I'm probably gonna get myself a little tan. These events will be at MSR Houston. Motor Speedway Resort is where the drag racing, the drifting, and everything is happening. And there's gonna be a lot of the car show stuff and all the music and all the flybys and drive-bys and everybody cruising around. All at Moody Gardens. So yeah, I mean, I'm super excited. And another huge shout out to Austin Atwood with Mustang Week. He reached out and immediately got on the call with me and we talked and you guys seen how it went. And I am absolutely excited. This is, like I said, gonna be one of the biggest opportunities I've ever received. And it's so great to finally be recognized for all my efforts and, you know, making these videos. Huge blessing in 2025 and I hope it just gets better and better, because that's all I really want. And I hope 2025 is great to you guys. I hope you guys are all happy, healthy, as well as your families. And I hope we all do good this 2025. So, yeah. Dream of doing this YouTube thing as a full-time job. This is what I've always wanted to do. And I just got a call that will potentially open up door after door after door. Being at last Mustang Week was like taking a step into a door, like into the world. Like it's so unfathomable. The call I just sat on, back when the quality was like 480p and I watched these old Mustang Week videos, I always dreamed of coming down with my dad, and you know, me and my dad would sit there and watch like Mustang burnouts and compilation videos and all that, and I always dreamed of coming to Mustang Week. And last year was my first year ever and it was huge. It was phenomenal. I made new friends. I met a bunch of people. A lot of people recognized their cars from the videos. We got a whole bunch of engagement on the channel. The Mustang Week videos from last year are blowing up again because Mustang Week is coming back in April and then again in next September. And I honestly can't thank you guys enough, because now this channel is monetized. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate all the support. And it's just huge. I got my first motorcycle and I started filming off this GoPro 9. I started making motovlogs. I did the car content. I did the Mach 1 videos. I did the rebuild videos on the Mach 1. Did the Fox body rebuild videos, and I posted those. And it really didn't matter to me how much views I got or how many likes I got or how many shares I got. It was really just, you know, sharing my story and making new friends and creating opportunities. And I'm a firm believer in social media, and networking will be your best friend as long as you make it your best friend. Even when you're down, even when you think there's nothing to come from it and you think it's the end of the road and your light's dimming out and that tunnel has no light at the end, you take a couple more steps. Give it another day, then another day, and another day. And you know, take as many steps as you need, big or small, and I promise it will all pay off. No matter how big or small your step is, it's another step into a direction that you're working towards. And I've always been a firm believer in that. I've always said that. You guys know I got tattoos that says, in the midst of the darkness, be a light that persists. And that kind of, it indicates, you know, be a light in people's lives and be the change. So yeah, this video is not crazy, but it's huge and it means a lot to me. So it's going up. With all that being said, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So I appreciate all of you.